What's going on, guys? So we are out here in Elkhart, Indiana at the dealer open house event taking a look at 2026 model year RVs. Now we're spending the first half of this morning with the folks over at Alliance to see what they're doing. And I'm going to tell you, they have a lot of really cool changes in floor plans. And boy, when you talk about a brand that is truly expanded, I mean, they have all these RVs out here plus a ton of them inside. But today we're going to take a look at this absolutely beautiful Delta. This is going to be their travel trailer, conventionally towed lineup. It rides on a BAL frame. And we're going to see what it's all about. Hang tight. I'll be right back. So I came around to look at the numbers on this unit, but as you can see, this unit is so new, it doesn't actually have numbers on it yet. But let me show you a few things going on while we're on this side. So first of all, I love the fact that they have water filtration built in, and not just any, it's BlueTech water filtration. So this is a really good system. Secondly, they put your slide out controls for your slides on the specific side where the slides are, which means I can open these slides up if I were close to trees or an obstruction and have a visual deterrent to know that I need to stop at a certain point. Plus I have my city water tank flush right here, all of my connections, spray port, everything is situated really nice, and they give you a motion detection light up there as well. And this is a good size full pass-through storage. I'm gonna open up the other hatch so you can see some of that stuff going on over there as well. Okay, since I passed by it, they do have the power front tongue jack, spot for 2 20-pound propane cans, and then in here, you can see that you have your awning controls as well as your slide out control for the slide over here. That's really nice. You also have your front cap light as well as a front spray port. And then you have 110 power out here also, plus a pass through to get your cables and everything through. We've had a tremendous amount of rain, so you might see water just about everywhere. Scissor stabilization on the front and back. This is not going to have an upgraded suspension, so we'll have a standard equalizer. I do wish they'd put an upgraded suspension here with heavy-duty shackle straps and greasable wet bolts, but they do give you Goodyear Endurance tires, and again, this does ride on a BAL frame. Back here, you do have a rack and pinion slide as well. Nice LED lighting underneath the awnings. Let's take a step inside of this 324 KS. Not sure what KS stands for, but we'll probably find out quickly. Okay, so I got my friends from eTrailer in here. What's going on, gentlemen?
What's going on?
Okay, so I'm going to walk through here, and you guys give me your feedback when we're about to wrap up. But this is a cool living area. I mean, you got opposing sofas on each side. This is a theater seat over here, love seat, and another love seat. That's a theater seat as well. This is going to turn into a bed, and then you have a TV right in the middle. This is a really well thought out living room space. I like this. And this unit is pretty dang long. So when we're looking at it from the outside, we're like, they have to be doing something in there. And that's a great use of space. Plus you have your freestanding dinette right here with 4 chairs, lots of windows. This is just a beautiful floor plan in a very large travel trailer. Solid surface countertops. I absolutely love that. Plus you have some nice drawers with some nice inserts here as well. Again, the reason why I open drawers are because of reasons like this, right? If you don't open drawers, you can't tell what they're doing from an innovation perspective, and I like that. Cabinet here. Somebody's coffee in the sink. Stainless steel undermount sink. 3-burner cooktop with oven. It's the more compact oven, but it'll work fine. There's a drawer underneath it. Plus you have a standard compact microwave in here as well. Coming around this side, you have your Furrion 12-volt refrigerator freezer also. This is actually a really beautiful setup. Pantry space right here. Would have been cool if they had adjustable shelves in here though. All right, on this side, but this is a really nice kitchen. It's laid out very well. What do you guys think of this space?
When I walked in, honestly, I was kind of like a little taken aback because it's such a long trailer. I don't know what I was expecting, but it's well put together. Massive living room, which I like. But it seems like the basics, everything you need.
For sure.
Which is nice.
Yeah, I mean, I like the way that they set up the seating, and it seems like a really good space to entertain if you had friends or
for sure.
in town.
Lots of seating in here, plus power on the side so you can charge your phones. So you got your panoramic fireplace right here, nice cabinetry above, TV mounted into this box area, your controls for everything up here. This is going to be your bathroom space. This is a solid surface countertop. That is really nice. Stainless steel undermount sink, 2-piece shower, with the cassette style shower curtain, plus a spot to hang your towels, and these flip up when you're not using them. You have a soft closing toilet lid, I'm sure, as well as a porcelain foot flush toilet. You got some good space here for towels and toiletries. Super deep. I almost feel like they could have done something to use up some of the back half of the space, maybe in the bedroom or somewhere over here. Good sized medicine cabinet as well. Spot for your toothbrush right here as well. All right. Let's work our way up front into the bedroom. So you have a really cool VersaTilt bed. So this is nice that the bed actually tilts up. A lot of room in front of it. No wardrobe right here. It feels weird not having a wardrobe or even a desk. It would have been cool if they had maybe a desk that flips up and then you could do some work in here. That would have been a big plus for me. I might recommend that to them because this wall just feels a bit blank. And again, I feel like they could have put something there. You have your storage up here. This might be prepped for washer and dryer, which it is. And this opens up as well. And you just simply remove the shelves if you want to put one in. Huge front closet space. This is absolutely massive. It is a giant, like extremely giant front closet space. Again, I almost feel like they could have done something here, like maybe put a shoe rack or something in here. But yeah, that is a huge space. And then over here, you have some nice shelf storage. This is actually pretty cool. I like what they've done here. And then you have more storage here with some hanging storage up there. But what do you guys think? This is actually a really cool floor plan. They've done a lot of really great things here. I do think that they could have done a little bit more in the bedroom space though. You have your second air conditioning unit in here. It looks like you only have two ACs as an option in this unit, which kind of makes sense. Then you have a Furrion chill cube up here. So that is really nice. So this is the fully ducted chill cube. So that's going to work well. And my channel sponsor carries the Furrion Chill Cube. I think you guys are like one of the only places that carry it. If you look it up, you guys have like all of them, and you really don't find them anywhere else. So if anybody's looking to upgrade to these awesome Furrion Chill Cube units, definitely check out eTrailer.com. Anyways, you guys got any final words before we wrap up?
I think it's a pretty cool unit. Did well with the space I had in here. I feel like it's missing something here as well, but outside of that, I feel like it's a really nice hangout area in here. So.
Yep. You got opposing slides here, so you got to remember that. This slide's going to come in, this is going to come in, and there's going to be very little space here in the center when everything is said and done. So that might be why they did that there. But the bedroom definitely felt a little light, like it needs a little bit more going on in there. Very cool.
Yeah, I don't have anything else, I guess. I mean, it's for what it is, I really like it. You know, you're coming from the other ones, which are bigger and really nice, and you come to this, but like I said, I like the living space and all the seating. So
I just like the fact that if I point the camera at somebody, they feel compelled, like they have to chime in. So good job though.
Yeah, and you can edit it out if you want.
Anyways, guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. We'll talk to you again real soon.